Oh shit. Me and Jim, that was perfect.
You're supposed to do bud.
I can't burp until.
But.
What?
That's what you guys are aiming for, right? Budweiser. I'm running out.
I'm not. It's gonna make him so burp.
If you don't put it in the sink, baby. I'll make myself sick.
At least you won.
I almost fell back in my chair. That was lame.
That was just stuck in my throat.
What was stuck in your throat?
My burp. It came out like.
She's lying. It was my cock. I said that in a burp.
It's big enough.
I'm waiting for the bubble to come up because then it's gonna be like.
Fucking bubble come out and just randomly start singing what I felt and fucking Oh, you're using my pop. Okay, we can do that.
Damn. This is so lady of us. Fuck you.
Have fun.
Love you guys. Love you. I had pop in my throat when I burped. That's why I sounded so wet.
That was my cum.
Oh, baby. Did you come in my mouth?
Came in yours.
I have to show you the video. I'm like, Tiffany, butter my biscuit.
Are you okay?
I have something to put this on YouTube now.
No, I'm not done. That hurt. Is it bleeding? I got like underneath.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Lift it up a little. Busted your lip.
Damn.
She busted her lip on a Mountain Dew bottle.
Blood.
Oh, you need some chocolate? I told you to quit sucking on that thing. She just busted her lip.
It was so tasty. No, it still hurts. Damn.
You.
Oh, you want to do the back doubles, huh?
Oh, shit.
Are we just sitting there like, what the fuck are they doing? You want to burp too?
I can't do it.
You sound like a monkey.
Do it again.
Oh.
Definitely going on YouTube. Alright, here. Damn. Almost.
Oh shit.
Okay, say our final goodbyes.
B-ball.